Hello and namaste to all of you from Faridabad. It's been a long time since I posted something, and I wanted to post something that happened during this COVID 19 times, and I wanted to share it so that someone out there might find it useful and beneficial. So during these COVID 19 times, since I was mostly at home, I realized that my mind was wandering a lot because it was less busy and there was less to do. And I noticed that the mind was constantly craving for some sort of pleasure. Sometimes I would binge on some food, something. Sometimes I would want to, binge on YouTube or listen to music, but it was not giving any long lasting satisfaction or happiness that I was seeking. So I went to YouTube and I saw some lectures that were from some saints in the Bhakti tradition, and they were saying, I saw them say that it is the nature of the mind and the soul to seek pleasure, and because they are inherently pleasure seeking, but we are seeking pleasure in the wrong avenues, the wrong places. So then the question was where real pleasure lies. So then again they mentioned that real pleasure lies in satisfying the soul with the love of God. Now that kind of made sense because I realized that I had felt happiest earlier in my life when I had felt closer to God and very happy that way. And so I realized that this was making sense. So then the question was, how could I have this love of God? Because God seemed very far away and I had hardly any attraction for Him, and my mind was mostly engrossed in worldly matters. So these saints in the Bhakti tradition again went on to say that in the beginning stages the mind would resist to engage itself in God, and it would try to, like a monkey mind, try to go on things which are of the world. So they went on to say that if you render service to a humble voluntary service to a saint who already has that love of God, then by His grace you would get that love of God. So that seemed like an experiment that I wanted to do, and I had been associated with the with the Gaudiya Bhakti tradition, and I rendered some service to my spiritual guide, and I noticed that immediately there was satisfaction of the mind and heart. It went calm and it was self-composed and happier that way. And so it seemed like a good experiment, and the more service I rendered, happier I felt, and the more attraction I kind of started developing towards God. And these saints also say that if you chant the names of the Lord, then also that you would feel that love. But this chanting gives pleasure to people who are very elevated, very close to God, but we should also try it. So I made a balance between these two things, rendering service and chanting the names. And this is how they mention that basically you have to strike a balance between your health, your sadhana, which is chanting the names and other things, and seva, which is voluntary service. So that was my experience, and it was very fulfilling. And if anybody of you wants to know the sources from where I saw these lectures and all, I would love to share it with you. Probably I posted in the comments or description section below. So so here's some chanting of the names of the Lord, and which is called as kirtan, or glorifying the Lord, and it gives a lot of pleasure to one. So there would be a little mantra I would be chanting in the beginning, which is paying respects to your spiritual lineage, and then chanting the names of the Lord. So here I go. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gaurvani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschat Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advait Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you all.